Making better decisions using Stoicism. Welcome to Struggling to Succeed. By the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what Stoicism means to me and also why I use Stoicism as a decision-making tool in my day-to-day life. During turbulent times, people go looking for answers to their questions and for a little bit of comfort. Many people will use religion or other spiritual books. However, I use philosophy, and in particular, I use Stoicism to help me make better decisions in my life. When I discuss Stoicism, people respond with a confused look. They think of the modern term of a stubborn, unemotional person, but yet Stoicism has so much more to it. So much more. I really do wish people would stop referring to Stoicism as unemotional. I think it is a very emotional tool that can help you actually make better decisions and regulate your emotions for the better. And here are 3 quotes that I think really set out my argument. If you live in harmony with nature, you'll never be poor. If you live according to what others think, you'll never be rich. Seneca. Wise words from Seneca telling us to live in harmony with our current environments. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus. Extremely important to only control what you can control, and that's your actions. If it's not right, do not do it. If it's not true, do not say it. Marcus Aurelius. Pretty straightforward, this one. If it's not right, why would you do it? If it's not true, why would you say it? Life can be very fast at times, and you can get dragged along, making decisions that you're not cognitively aware of what you're doing. However, if you sit down and think about Stoicism, and think about these quotes, they can really help you make better decisions. To live in harmony with your environments, to control what you can control, and not to say things that aren't true. Building this resilience in life can be tough. It can take many hours of mental training in the gym of life, always coming back to those challenging subjects and those challenging situations and building your resilience. But through Stoicism, I've been able to develop my life. I've been able to climb to that next level by thinking about the quotes from Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Epictetus. I'm really developing a decision-making process that has allowed me to succeed in life and feel better about the decisions that I'm making. All because Stoicism tells you to slow down, think about what's right, and think about the decisions you're making. I discuss this a lot in my channel. I have a full series of videos around my use of Stoicism in life. And if that's something you want to join along with and follow and hear more about, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to Struggling to Succeed.